Hey guys, ladies and gents, today I'm going to share with you how to change a side mirror on an old 8th-gen Civic coupe. Apparently this video does not exist. That's what they look like, and it's pretty simple. So I'm going to hold it right there on this mirror, and I'm going to show what's wrong with it. It won't go up. Or it goes up and down, but it won't go in or out. You notice that I'm going to the right, it's not moving. Going to the left, it's not moving. Up, down, fine. So there's something wrong with that. Now on this one, I have full control. So this just arrived. Go wide. That's the backing of the mirror. That's the new mirror, and that's my OG mirror. This cap is kind of broken, so I can just pull it right off. And let's see what it's looking like, guys. Well, it's a pretty easy fix, guys. This pulls straight out. It has a little clip there that goes in here, and you got 2 bolts here. You got a 10 and then the 8 and a plug. So it's pretty much, you unclip this, you unbolt that, you take out that unit, you put in a new one, and you hook it up back. So I'm just going to do that and show it to you. I don't really get it step by step. And then we're going to test the mirror again. Okay, so I've taken out the connection here and the 2 bolts. And we should take it and take off this mirror, guys. It shouldn't be too hard, just kind of just pull it off. Okay guys, this is what's holding this mirror on now. Not this wire, these little clips right here. You see them? So let me zoom in. You grab a screwdriver, you slide that back. Don't worry if these break, you have a new one. Now this whole unit should just come right up. I'm gonna go wide, guys. And there you go. It's out. I think it had one more bolt here, guys. Let me check. Alright guys, I was right. The reason it's so hard to come out, folks, it has one more bolt right here. Apparently this rubber was here, and as you know, tutorial kind of just, I guess, tore it up. So you take a screwdriver, you pull that out, and that looks like a 8. So there it is, guys. So there's actually 3 bolts holding this, guys. A 10, 8, and behind this rubber grommet here, it's another 8. Alright, another way of knowing, guys, is to look at your new diagram, at your new mirror. You would have seen the 3rd bolt. So it's pretty easy. I went there and wiped that out. You just put that back in there. Sorry, it was not white, guys. Put it back in and basically rebolt it, guys. Okay, once you pop it on, guys, it pretty much holds itself because these clips go back in. Then you put back your 8mm, your 8mm, your 10, put on back the cap, you bolt that up, and you should be all set. Okay guys, before you lock up your mirror, you want to test it. So I'm going to do that right now. So before one's going side to side, now you see it's moving side to side, up, down. So with that, guys, you can safely put this back in here Okay, so that's it, folks. That's nicely locked back. This is working. You got your cap cover. I have a black one, I have a silver, and I like the silver one more, so I'm gonna put that one back. And that's it, guys. Easy change. How to change a Gen Civic Coupe side mirror. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, it don't matter. As long as I help you out, it's all that matters, y'all. Think of your Gen, y'all. They're very rare and they're very nice cars. Great. But have a wonderful day.